Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, towards the end of last week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, which is this update, KB5079391. And I'll leave the video for the update linked for what it's worth. Now, as I mentioned when I posted that previous video, the update was not made available for me through the Windows Update page, and I actually had to head over to the Microsoft Update catalog to download and install the update manually. And it's come to the fore now, and the reason for that is because Microsoft has actually pulled the update and it's no longer available anymore through Windows Update. And I actually did a community post over the weekend informing on the channel that Microsoft had pulled the update, but because obviously a lot of users are asking where the update is, because I've seen in the comments viewers of the channel are confused regarding that the update is not available, although it has rolled out. I thought I'll just post this quick video just to get us all on the same page. Now, Microsoft has pulled the update and paused the rollout of the update because users were complaining that they began encountering installation issues. And because of this, Microsoft says it's now paused the rollout due to widespread reports of this installation error, 0x80073712. And this error typically points to missing or corrupted system files, which can prevent updates from completing successfully. So that's what the error is all about. Now, Microsoft has not given us any indication or confirmed the exact root cause of the issue or specified which devices are affected. There's no information given other than Microsoft says that it's pulled the update and paused the rollout through Windows Update. But the problem obviously appears big enough to justify pulling the update from the distribution channels like Windows Update. Now, Microsoft has not shared a timeline for when KB5079391 will return via Windows Update. But I think there's a very good chance that the update will be rolled out before next month's Patch Tuesday, which will be rolling out on the second Tuesday of next month, April. So Microsoft's got a bit of work to do. It's unfortunate, but at least Microsoft has pulled the update and not left it there, causing a lot of issues for a lot of users. But this is a mainstream update. So I really think Microsoft should have done a little bit more testing before they just pushed the update out. Maybe rolled it out this week instead of last week, because clearly, obviously, there's a problem. And I didn't have any issues installing the update manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. So if you're not seeing it on your Windows Update page, then head over to the Microsoft Update catalog and see if you can download it manually from there. And obviously, if I get any more information, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.